Alright guys, so we got ourselves a water pump replacement on a 3.3 liter GDI engine. So before we start the replacement, I thought I'd give you guys some part numbers. So the part number for the water pump is right here. And then there's a little gasket that has to be replaced. That's right here, that's inside of the water pump. I'll give you guys a view of that in a second. And then after the that gasket, we have the main gasket for the water pump that's right here. And that's part number for that. And this gasket fits on this side, right here, but which sits onto the side of the timing cover. So you have your water pump is here, timing cover is here, this gasket is onto the timing cover. And you need this, it's highly suggested to replace this gasket when you guys are doing the water pump. So I'm going to get started with removing of components. I'm going to set you guys up. I am at work right now, so it's going to be a pretty just a video on how to remove and replace. I'm not going to be talking during this video. So I hope you guys enjoy. So that's pretty much it, except for the last 2 bolts that have to go underneath, which are this long one that comes underneath on this side, and then we also have the one little 10mm bolt that I showed you guys just a minute ago right here. After that, the installation of the water pump is actually completed. I'll put a diagram right here of the belt routing for you guys, so you guys can know how to do the belt routing. And after that, you have to put on all your plastics, refill the cooling system, bleed the cooling system, and then your job is done. Oh, and don't forget your engine mount, because you can't really put the engine back together unless you put on the engine mount. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this little video, and I will see you guys next time.